Hi everyone, I'm Devi and today I'm gonna show you a gradient fishtail braid nail design. So before starting with my design, I'm first gonna apply a base coat to my natural nails to protect them and let it dry. Then apply yellow color nail polish as a base on your nail and let it dry fully. So gradient nail arts are very messy, so to be safe from the mess, after gradient, first put tape on the cuticle areas of your nail. First apply a tape on the top area of your cuticle and then on the sides, and it should look like this. So for the gradient, you're gonna need a cosmetic sponge. You can get it from online or from any cosmetic store. Then apply yellow, mint green and sky blue color nail polish on the sponge and then dab it on the nails in a rolling motion. For the gradient, you have to do this process at least for 2 to 3 times for the gradient to pop. And when you are satisfied with the gradient, then remove the tape off of your finger and clean any remaining nail polish from your skin with a Q-tip dipped in a nail polish remover. And when it's dry, apply top coat on your nails and let it dry for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Drying for 20 to 30 minutes is a very important step because I'm gonna apply striping tapes on my nails. You can get striping tapes also from online or from any cosmetic store. Apply the tape on your nails like how I am applying in the video. For the braided look on your nails, paint black nail polish on the exposed areas of your nails and remove the tape before the black polish dries. And that's it for this design. To seal in your design, apply top coat on your nails. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.